I'm just getting started painting here at Dorado Canyon State Park. Check out the view. Stunning, right? Here's a little shot of my plein air setup. I've got my colors out on my palette. In general, I've got a warm and a cool of each color, plus a few extras like titanium white, burnt umber, a couple additional ones in there. And so here's my scene right here. Let's see if I capture it. I took a few minutes before I started to sketch out what I want to paint, including my focal point and my light and dark areas and where the sun's coming from. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but that's my underpainting blocked in. There's my scene again. Alright, I think it's as done as it's going to get out here in the field, and I'm pretty happy with the effort today. I got my focal point in here, these nice big rocks, that atmospheric background. Now I'll probably go ahead and take it back to the studio when it's a little bit drier and maybe touch it up, maybe not, but I had a great time painting at Dorado Canyon today.